Hey everyone! In this video, I will show you how to use Bing AI Image Generator. But before we start, make sure to follow the video till the end and subscribe to the channel. First, open Google Chrome on your PC. Now, search for Bing AI Image Generator here. Click on the first link of their official website. You need to log in to your account. Now, if you scroll down, you will find many images and can explore various ideas. You can also search for ideas of your choice, and it will generate the image. Scroll down to check different images. Now, for example, I'm searching for a man standing on a boat looking at the sun. Then, click on Create. As you can see, our image is being created by AI. Now, you can see on your screen it has generated and gives us 4 images. Pick the one you like the most. Now, note that if you generate one image, your credit will decrease. You get 100 credits every week that renew automatically. If you run out, image generation may take longer. Click on any one image that we generated. Here, you can share, save, download, and customize it. Click on Download. As you can see, our generated image has been downloaded. Now, if you go back, you can see our downloaded images in the Recent section. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.